Hey everybody, here's the final on my egg-playing group build that I did. This one was the A6 Intruder. I went with the same as the box art. They allowed you to do the Navy or the Marines. Just kind of like the USS Midway on there, so I went with the Navy. But it went pretty well. A day or two in decals and a couple days in paint. The nose on the kit was a brown. Most all of them I saw online, except for maybe a couple of them, was the way this is. So I didn't do the nose. I figured it was going to be too much of a pain. The cockpit, I did it pretty much just all black. There is a gauge decal on there. I hand painted the cockpit. It was going to be too hard to mask and actually get those lines. And then after I did that, I put Future over it. The pieces inside, I just hand painted the tips. There was no decals for that, but they are silver. And then that, the decals down below. Made sure I had the bombs. They had some really nice, real little decal details everywhere. But all in all, it's a fun little kit. I did not do this any special way. I didn't do it very different. One thing I did notice was a problem. The decals here do not match the art. That curved edge is supposed to be up towards this, and I know that's supposed to go there because that fits there. So this is supposed to curve back with that, and if you put them on the other side, they don't work. That part sticks out here instead, so they kind of screwed up on that. Put on that. Whoop. And this piece is glued on one of the halves, I think. And I don't know if you guys have the same problem that I do with the egg planes. They're hard to hold on to, it seems like, because you want to be delicate with them. But since they are shaped like an egg, it seems like they just want to slip right out. Well, there ain't a whole lot to show on this one. It was a very fun build. Thank you, Charlie and Daniel, for hosting this. This is actually my 4th year doing it. And let's see, I've got them all on my shelf. So that one was the 4th or 3rd year I did it. That one was the 1st year I did it. And then this one was last year. So they have done it for 5 years, but I've been involved for the last 4. I missed the 1st year. So it is a very fun build. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I still have 8 other egg planes. So I'm ready for 8 more years. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a great one, and talk to you then. Bye.